Hello guys, and it's Tech204 today, and we are back with another YouTube video. Today we are going to be looking at PC cases. So, when picking your case, I guess, for your build, you want to find something that is compatible with all your parts. So say you have a ATX motherboard, you do not want to be buying a micro ATX case, and vice versa if you have a micro ATX, or if you have an ATX case, you want to be buying a ATX board, or if it supports ATX or micro ATX, that is fine too. So here we have our first case. It is the Roswell Challenger S Gaming ATX mid tower case. So it supports up to 360 millimeter cards, so that would be your graphic cards. So you want to make sure your graphic cards fits in that, which most will. It comes with uh, one rear 120 millimeter fan. Just be careful because it shows that it comes with it, but it doesn't. Well, it might come with it, but it's just not pre-installed. I don't know. And then it has supports up to 5 fans, um, quick design, dust filters. So it looks like a not bad case. So we'll go down here and look at our next one. It is the Cooler Master Masterbox Lite 3.1. This also is a micro ATX case. It has a front facing window that you can customize trim colors. That's what it looks like. There's inside, it looks like it comes with one rear fan. We'll take a look here. Yep. So it supports up to 3 fans and water cooling. Full black coating, so it's painted black. And it's not a bad deal for 44 bucks. Let's look at our next case here. This is a very popular one, the Roswell Micro ATX Mini Tower Computer Case. For 30 bucks, you can't really beat it. There it is. Looks like two USB on the top, one on the side, power button research. There, looks like one rear fan installed, two USB 2.0, USB 3.0, audio out, mic in, 80, yeah, so that's a pretty small fan, 80 millimeter fan at the rear. Let's keep on going. Now let's look at ATX cases for you guys with ATX boards. So they're going to be getting, I guess, a little bigger of case and probably a little more expensive. So here we have the Corsair Carbide Micro ATX and Mini ITX. Oh, this is another Mini ITX. So there you can see it's pretty squished in there, but you can still fit a pretty large graphics card in there, as you can see. And water cooling. Here's our first ATX case. Free shipping. Expansion slots. So we have USB 3.0, 2.0, 2.0, headphone audio. Oh, that's a cool power switch on there. And that's what it looks like. So that's going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.